Hello, hello, hello. I am sorry about that huge delay that we got here. I had to do some things and it took a bit longer than I expected. But now we're here, and now we can work. I just need to set up a few things here. Okay. Hopefully we are ready to do the transition. How's my data flow going? Okay, I've been having a bit of an issue with my internet recently. So if I go down, or I disappear, or I say things that I shouldn't, oh Jesus Christ, the pop-up window doesn't work with the chat. There we go. And then we want to have a little transition, and we should be live. Hello. I plan on actually continuing to work on the enemy that we've started working on. Can you see me moving this? No. Oh, that would be pretty cool if I like Sprite would be up there. If I could have that session not found. Oh, I need to log in again. Oh damn boy, I'm actually around for one of these streams. Hello there, Whale. Hello there, Sin. How are you guys doing? I saw your video, Whale, and your voice. It just sounds like a fucking YouTuber, bro. I know I've said that before, but your voice, it just has that, you know, it has that YouTube voice to it. I feel like you can easily succeed at your YouTube career. Whaleman has just posted his first devlog on his Counter-Strike map. He's an esteemed and well-known member of the mapping community, the Counter-Strike mapping community. If you like high quality content and some good knowledgeable stuff, people, men, you should check out Whaleman. Telling that to my 0 viewers. This is the project. It's so cool that the chat actually works, because for the last 10 billion years it hasn't. I'm quitting my day job to become a YouTuber. That's good. That's what I like to hear. This is so cool that I can see you can see Sprite, well, but I can't. What if I do this? Oh, you can still see it. That's shite. I need to do this. Okay, so since the last time, you would have seen me work, but my ISP was down for a week because they're shit. Don't sponsor me. Yeah, Whaleman is Mr. Tree Guy. That's exactly the guy. So, people complained about when I rotate like sprites. They're like HD. It's like an HD rotation instead of like per pixel, like a pixelated rotation. Now I've done it like a pixelated rotation. Maybe you don't see it, maybe you do, but let's take like a screenshot and explain it. So that dodge, like that diving sprite, is okay. Does this work? Does this work? Yeah. Okay, so let's say we have like a diving sprite. What do I have? Do I have anything secret? No. Cool. Hello, Fred. How's going your day? My day is going pretty good. How about you? So as you can see here, it actually has like the sprite. This is so whack. I should probably write a shader or something that handles these things, because I would probably want it to be more like this, right? That doesn't look nice, and like this one should probably be filled, and that one should probably be filled too, but like it looks pretty okay. It still looks bad because the rotation is bad, but previously what happened was when I rotated it just did this instead, like that, so all the pixels became like off grid, and some people like that. Well, nobody like that. I still have I opted to not just resize the game window, but to actually keep it to your monitor size, which allows me to have these like off grid small particles floating around at smooth speeds. It also allows me to like still have like a vertex shifting on these, because these plants are I've shifted the vertices on like the planes that they're drawn on to make them sway in the wind and react to the player, so they're not just like straight blocks, but move with some like sine stuff and can like tilt and stuff. So yes, some stuff is pixel rotationalized with wisely, and some stuff are not. Like that's still like a rotation, like smooth HD rotation, but this is pixelated rotation. And my plan is that we're gonna rotate this boy's gun, because right now he can't shoot at us. So if I just crouch, he can't hit us. And he can't like. My plan is that he's gonna like aim downwards if you crouch, but if you like crouch as he shoots, I don't know. We'll see. But we need to make him aim towards you. My day's going pretty normal. I just need some sleep. Hello, the Shazwuska. How are you doing? And QB, hello to you too. Hello to everyone. Oh shit, it says just Frederick is live on my phone. I need to find the script. BB Soldier, there we go. So this is probably where we need to be. Let's see if we can get that object. Yeah, currently you can't be shot if you're crouched. I mean, it works in other games too, like Counter-Strike. If you crouch, no one's gonna hit you. That's why I always crouch. Is this what we're looking for? Let me. Hello? What are you? Are you enemy? Okay. Thank you. Okay, so we wanna... Aiming. Aim direction equals 0. Default aim would be 0. What we want to do now is that we want the angle. Jesus, case enemy alert. Okay, so we want to create like a huge ass code block here. Aiming. So first we want to get the angle between the enemy and the player. Is there a function for that? Angle difference. Can we get... I should probably just Google my algebra. That's what I should do. Let me see. So university student googling grade 7 math. Okay, so we have you know that one is 90 degrees. Angles. There we go. Okay. There we go. Sinus for A is what we want. So I found it. This is what I want. This is what I need. Oh, I'm losing frames. No. No. We're back. We're okay. That's just... My ISP is a bit oofy today, sorry. Well, if I lag, it's not me, it's my ISP, I promise. We want to have like, so we want to have the difference in X divided by... No. What do you mean? It's so stupid. That's good, that's good. Yeah, I just dropped 114 frames, so it was probably like 2 seconds. If I have 60 frames per second. I don't know. A and C, that's fucking weird. So we want sine for sine angle equals y minus y divided by the square root difference. There we go. That's just for my remembrance. Okay, so we take var sin angle equals player dot x y player dot y minus y divided by square root of the so game maker swears I need to do the absolute value for some reason. Y diff, it's easier that way. So I need to reuse it. X diff. Just clean it this way. The absolute value of square y diff plus square x diff. So this is can I do I arc sin? There we go. var angle equals for sin angle let's see if I can shut up phone. I'm too popular. Let's just what hello aim direction. Aim direction equals lerp. We want to lerp it between aim direction and angle 0.05. And then in here draw a line. Wanna let's just draw Sprite. What Sprite do it? Sprite attack box. And what do we need to enter more? Sub image 0. Hello? 0 x y minus 50 or something, 40 maybe. Just so it's like in the head range. Y scale 0.1. Let's make it like a line. X scale 1. Y scale 0.1. Rotation, aim, direction Colors, see white. Alpha 1. Okay, are you ready to get your fucking jaw dropped or something? I have no idea. It's probably gonna like change somehow. Oh, that's hot. Oh, why did I just write player? And nobody said anything about it? There's nothing called player, people. You just let this slide? Even worse, you let this slide. I did this variable for a reason. There we go. Jesus. And what if I disable that? Ooh, now you don't see my taskbar. Come on, let's go. Can you rotate? Come on, you can do it. Come on. Why are you not working, bro? No. What if I can... maybe it's like using radians, is that what you call it in English? And the other one is using degrees. So let's see here. The game isn't showing, not sure. Oh, thank you, cool angel. Dish is clean. Thank you so much, honey. The game isn't showing because I forgot to enable it. Because I'm a pro streamer. I'll make sure to fix that. Okay, so this one has degrees. Yeah, and what about this one? Is it in radians? Okay, so let me just use my big brain here. So one spin is 2 pi or 6.28. We take the value. We take the value divided by 2 pi, which gets it to 1, and then we do that times 360. That's how we get it in degrees. Thank you for coming to my TED Talk. Divided by 2 times pi times... Now it should be in degrees. Now please show me something. So like it was only moving like 6 degrees. That's the most. I think you see the game now. Oh yo, am I a pro or what? Okay, so it doesn't tilt when it's in the wrong, but like and that's not supposed to happen, and you can't see it because of my camera. But like there you go. See? Can this stop, please? Thank you. So that's a quality feature right there. That's meant to happen. As you can see, he aims towards me. See? Pretty neat. It doesn't seem to work when it's like that. Would be really nice if he didn't shoot right now. We can go into OBJ bullet. Where do we have that? Am I blind? Is that it? There we go. Yeah, I was just blind. Then we add that. Then we just set the speed to 0. It just resets whenever because it gets negative values. I have no idea. Could try that. Oh, okay. Seems to do something there. We should probably, for debugging purposes, set the LARPing value to something a lot higher. Let's see. I want to see if I can get this the way I want it to. That's so weird. Oh. Because when they attack, it stops because that's a different state. Where did I learn to animate? In the hard school of life, bro. By sitting on my ass for hours drawing. That's how I did it. Not that glamorous, but that's how to do it. Thank you. Is there a can't see? If can see. So whenever the dude can see you, he's gonna do this, which will probably help us a lot. Hopefully this doesn't fuck up all the code. Okay, so following the player works great, but not on the opposite side. If this just magically works, then I'm like I should get like some sort of Nobel Peace Prize or something. Nope. Still doesn't work. Now it's wrong. Nice. When my X is higher, when the player X is higher, that means it's a positive number. But when the enemy is to the right, it becomes negative. Why does it like the negative number so much more than the positive number? And why does it not work? I have no clue. Okay, so now it's like the wrong way, right? But oh, okay, wait, it works on both ways now. So that was my theory. But I should just reverse it. If player obj player.x is greater than x. Plus 180. Oh, right. Yeah, fuck. If I have a circle here and I calculate that the angle should be this, and then I subtract 180, becomes that, and we don't want it to aim down when it's supposed to aim up, right? So but what we want to is for it to aim that way when it's that way. So we wanna we just want to subtract the bit that is how do I flip along an axis? Because if it's like 60 here, then we just want to do 30 plus 30. What if it's in this here? This would be like 280, 300 degrees, 300 degrees. We know that it can only, right now at least, they're both positive numbers. It can only go between the 0 and 90. So we could just do, we have the angle, so we do 90 plus the angle. No. We do 180 minus the angle. That's what we do. Big brain. So this should account for yeah. Oh, that's so hot. You see that? I want to add some game development is only math, bro. Bye bye, Bowser. I want to do it so that the player height, because right now it aims for the player height, but it doesn't. The player height doesn't change in the code depending on. Do we even specify the height? No. I just use the base height, I guess, from the entity object. Height 60. Okay. Height equals 55. Standing height equals 55. Crouch height equals, I don't know, 25? Is that good? Is that cool with you? Will Shooter Boy only try for them sick no scope headshots? Yes. He will never scope. Nah, he's actually scoping. He's only doing the scope, the full scope headshots. He's doing the body shots. That's more likely. I'm thinking that he should maybe try to like pre-aim. So but firstly we would just want him to aim towards you, right? But end goal is to maybe have him pre-aim. So he calculates the distance. Okay, this is some big shit. The enemy AI would calculate the distance between the player and the enemy, and then based on that adjust or bullet time, and pre-aim in the direction of where the player is currently heading. So if you're falling, it would aim below you, and depending on how far away you are, different amounts of below you. That's the plan. But for now, we're just gonna make him shoot straight at you. And maybe I'll just have that like a... so I'll probably add it and then see what people think about it. 'Cause that'll make it so you'll have to adjust your movement as they shoot. Or if I'll just make dummy shit that you can avoid as long as you're running. I feel like it would be more interesting gameplay wise if you'd have to adjust your movement as they shoot to be able to dodge it. AI emphasis on the I. Yeah, they're gonna do some pretty, you know, people just kind of like, okay, he's kind of in that area. The bullet travels this fast. I should probably aim kind of there. But this bad boy is gonna do like, he's gonna pull up his like fucking math pad and calculate it precisely. That's some high intelligence shit. Now I wanna do these two. And I want here, see if what is it called? Mask index equals Sprite player collision crouch. Height equals height. What did I call it? Crouch height. Else height equals standing height. Hi mate, hello there, how are you doing? Petty selfish streamers, how are you doing? Alright, let's see. Aim at me, bro. Does it adjust anything at all? No. Alright, because it's not big dumb. It's not aiming towards his height, it's aiming towards just a preset thing. That's good to hear, that's good to hear. Hopefully it will be pointing. Fuck me. Just dropping by. Cool. That's perfect. I feel like that was probably not what we wanted. Oh, it's because it's below the value. Fuck me. I need to flip it again. Just like I did with the X value. But it works here. I think it's a bit low. Yeah. But it works with the, like, he's aiming down, right? What we wanted. So I think it's just that the matter of the player being too short. Make it 40. Yeah. Like 35 maybe, something like that. I don't know, we'll adjust it, but now we can see that it aims towards the actual player. Is good. We also want him to... I need to adjust the sprites. That's one thing I need to do. Let me just pull them up. Okay, so what we need to do now is that we need to separate this. So we have the body and the arms in the... Fuck me, I need to do the arms, the back arm independently, do I? I think I do. Fuck. Or maybe I can solve this. Maybe I can work something out that will make us all happy. Or I'll have to draw like draw the thing fucking 3 times. One of them. Body. What if Candlehead melted when he dies? If he did, he would be melted. That's for sure. If he melted, he would be melted. Yeah, I've been thinking about doing something like that. I haven't really decided on that yet. I do have a death animation that I did a while back. I haven't used it, but I have it. What if there was a flame particle system that went out? Yeah, that could work too. I don't see why he would be burning. I've been thinking about like a power-up mode where you lose health, but you'd be more powerful or something. Because like technically, if he would be burning, he would die because it would burn off his head, right? You know, that melts his body away. So I don't see why he would want to be burning. But maybe like a power-up thing. Maybe that could work. I think I can pull up the death thing here. I have a lot of fucking files. Here. This is an old thing, but I've never played Rage, so I don't know, but maybe. And then we have a little puff coming out. So that's something I have. I think I can actually die if I press Y. I could do that before. I will try later. Right now we need to do this. Oh, like a rage mode, okay. Yeah, I thought you meant like in the game rage. And I've never played that. Or like maybe if I made a like a fire status effect or something, so you could start burning. Maybe if you died while burning, there would be a different death animation that would make you melt away. Maybe that could be cool. I've been thinking about, you know, different ways of doing things. But I try to keep my head straight and focus on the thing at hand. So if you think about everything you're gonna have to do in the future, you can easily get pretty overwhelmed, and it feels like all the progress that you're doing isn't really anything because you have all this other shit in front of you. But if you just focus on what you have right now, this task, this thing, I need to do this, and then you finish it, then you feel like some sort of progress has been made, which is nice. But I have thought about that. If someone mentions like something, not to be that guy, but there's a big chance I've thought about it, because I do be thinking about this quite a lot. Y'all maybe like think about it when you watch my stream, and then it kind of goes away, right? But for me, it's in my head all the time. I appreciate the amount of frames in each of your animations. Thank you. I try to make it visually appealing. I do like smooth animations myself, and I set out to make a game that I would want to play. And if I saw like a smooth platformer with like parkour elements, and it was like it was hard, nice combat, like cool bosses, shit like that, I'd be like, damn, I want to play that. So I'm trying to do what I would want to play myself. I feel like if you make a product that you know, or that you like and that you enjoy, maybe someone else will enjoy it too. You know, that's my thought process, at least. Hopefully someone else thinks like I do. Makes it look very smooth. Yeah, it's not just about a lot of frames. When it comes to animation, there's a lot more to it. But frames helps, for sure. So have any of you all played Cybergunk yet? You have good technique as well, that plays a big part. Thank you. I've been playing quite a bit of Cyberpunk recently. I'm no big fan of RPGs, usually. I tried to sit down with Witcher and I did not enjoy it. I thought it was, the introductory part was very sluggish. I felt like the characters were not intriguing. It felt very stiff, and I could not get invested into the world. I was quested with, this is just my raw talk. I was tasked with going to a city. The city was locked. I did not know if I missed something or if I was supposed to find a way, like a role play my way into the city by discussing or talking to some sailors, or like doing some other way, or getting across the bridge. I think I turned back and I rode through the forest, and then some like level 60 or like super high shit just smacked me down, and I had to reset from somewhere, and I was like, yeah, no. But I do quite enjoy Cyberpunk. It's kind of hard to grasp how a studio with that kind of funding and time hasn't been able to properly establish like a well-rounded shooter, because the mechanics are pretty trash. But hey, what do I know? I'm just a gamer, trademark. But the story is really nice, and the characters actually feel alive. The first time in a like an RPG, I actually care about my choices and I feel invested in the world, which is a pretty nice thing. I personally think it's a good game, and it's very nice. But I think it could have used a few more months in the oven, because it's one hell of a buggy game right now. It looks pretty sometimes. It looks pretty on a fucking RTX 3090, bro. Okay, no, it looks pretty. It looks good on a shitty PC too, to be honest. It would look better if I had a 3080 or a 3090. That's for sure. Okay, so we have the body. Cool. Yeah, I just I kind of pick colors per sprite, and I just limit the palette size there. I don't have a specific palette for the entire game. Without everyone pursuing them to release it, it'd have been so much better. Nice, nice. Yeah, I think there are some pretty obvious signs of rushed development. Like the fact that the police fucking spawns behind the player. Just obviously spawns in whenever you get wanted. Which is very, very immersion breaking. That's something that I actually really don't like. It gets me out of it real fast. I got like chased by the police. This is called Sprite. It's a really good software, and if you're looking into animating pixel art, I highly recommend getting it. With a dark theme, yeah. Exactly. Sprite with a dark theme. And then we duplicate that and we do the head and arms. Hello there, unknown, or welcome to the stream. We could probably just do this, to be honest. Oh no. There we go. Got rid of half of the body immediately. I personally prefer pixelated, but that's because I like tiled animation. Man, I've been waiting for tiled animation to come to Sprite for ages. The only thing pixelated has going for it is the tiled animations. But he's been working on it for a while now, so maybe we'll get it eventually. Would be neat. Would be very nice. It's better for channels because Sprite has no tile thing. The only thing my Sprite has is this. I think this is no. Yeah, so let's see here. Yeah, 12. Pretty much. A little bit higher. Lower, yeah, higher. So right now we're splitting up the two, like the arms and the body, so we can have it independently rendered and drawn and aiming towards the player. Oh my god. Water. Maybe this will help me not fall asleep. Man, I'm tired. I worked a lot for a school project recently. I made this web app. Else. Wait. Yeah, there we go. So this thing. Wow. So this is some wacky ass landing page that was thrown together super fast because we got feedback from the teacher that we had to have one, or something. They wanted us to have one. This looks like shite, but it works. So like, check this out. You can. Wow. Seems like it isn't working. Very nice. So I Thank you for coming to my showcase. I have no idea why it stopped working. Maybe something works. Okay, cool. This is very not good. Oh, I guess it's just super slow. Jesus Christ. Can I? Okay, there we go. So I guess the server was just fucking slow. So here's my profile. Wow. Okay, so it's a service where you can find. Why is it so slow? You can find people to play with. So let's go into Halo Reach. Oh, look, there's like two parties here. Oh, look, I'm in this party. Wow, check this out. So like I'm playing Lasso. There's my girlfriend and some random dude, and I can like, wow, join and leave the fucking party. Like, what the fuck? Yeah, and I can check this out, but like, oh no, you can't join because you're already in a party. And same thing with like create. I can't create something because I'm already in the party. And like, oh, we can check out my girlfriend's profile. Oh, very cool. Okay, so that's her preferred plan. Oh, she's in a party. What she's playing? Oh, she's here. Okay, with me, right? Yeah, and the images aren't loading, but that's not my fault. Does it work for anybody? Yeah, it's up on the interwebs, bro. Don't use it too much or something. It's just a school project, but there you go. You can sign up. Don't use a password that you would use anywhere else because I can see it. If you don't trust me. So yes, but you can like sign up. So you can do like dummy at email doesn't exist, and you can do like password, and you can create an account. Wow, and then you can like, okay, so I got Wise Koala as my username. I want to be called this do be dummy. Yeah, we just made a meme name. It's a meme school project. Dummy. Hello. Then I can select my preferred platforms and update my profile. Wow. Yeah, don't use your password 123. Yeah, don't use that one because then I'll see it. And then y'all can create parties in Halo Reach, or if you just search nothing, you can get the most played games. Oh, there's a Grand Theft Auto party. Have fun. I just want to play. Have some fun, maybe steal some cars. Add me on Steam. Okay, so this is my friend Lucas. You can add him on Switch if you want. He needs some friends, he's lonely. Why did you use my email? Now I can't sign up. Wait, what did I use your email? What the fuck? Yeah, but oh, you mean the dummy one? Yeah, I'm sorry about that. Oh, that doesn't look good, but whatever. Yeah, so this is what I've been doing, and that's why I'm a bit tired. Moving on, getting back to the game. If I can show my teacher that 2 billion people are using the service, maybe we won't get fail. F. It will be graded in on Monday, I think. Or the grading will start on Monday. So we'll see then what happens. Okay, there we go. That's export sprite sheets. Solar walk. Arms. Hey boys, let's get gaming. I'm looking for gamers. That's right. We were thinking about using a Z like that, and then like use Elite Speak and a bunch of like really like how are you doing fellow kids language. But then we thought maybe they'll not let us pass if we do that. So we just made it like a little bit memey. Now we've exported it. Very cool. Now we can get it into the video game. Hey bro, you can go to looking for gamers, my gamer. Hey yo, you wanna play some Counter-Strike, bro? Let me make a little party in Counter-Strike. Oh, fuck, I closed it because I didn't want to use it. I'll create a little party for you, Whale Man, in Counter-Strike, and you can come and join me, boy. Let's see if Counter-Strike. You need to press the search thing because it doesn't go with enter. Okay, I can't create a party. I need to leave the party I'm in. Let me. There we go. Playing some. Play game. Come play with ya boy. Apparently I can't enter more. Max party size 5. Add me on Steam. Duh. There we go. Now there's a party in Counter-Strike. Whoa. First one to join will be forever immortalized in our project, because I don't know, we'll probably close the service eventually. Yes, that's what we're hoping that our teachers will think. Oh, very relevant and good for the gamers to find people, because video games don't have service to find the people to play with. Like if you want to queue up with nice people, you can't do that, my bro, because it just throws you into a stupid game with bad people. But only the best of best can join the looking for gamers. Very cool. Yeah. Yo boys, did you see that Anomaly called me said he hates me? Well, if you haven't, check it out on stream. So for y'all who don't know who Anomaly is, he's a fat shouting Swedish guy on the internet who likes to play Counter-Strike and sell expensive knives. Let me see. Hello? Look at this.
People that made this map on them as a sort of a thank you, which is cool. Although I fucking hate this guy. His name is Fred.
Very nice.
And here's the entrance.
Yeah, so he hates me. Very cool. So I would say I'm a pretty epic gamer. He singled out me and said he hates me. Very nice. The only fucking Swede. Good night. Thank you. Okay, so now we have the sprites. Entities, Blueberry Soldier. Duplicate, Blueberry Soldier, alert. Arms. What do you mean? Oh, alert walk, whatever, fuck you. Import. Let me search the files here. They are very organized. Then we want to split it. How big is it? It's 64 by 64. Image, convert to frames. 64 by 60. 64. No, hello. Thank you. There we go. And then we do same thing, but we do. Yo, wait, what, did I not export it? GIF. No. PNG. Convert to frames. There we go. And then we do oh Jesus. How do I do this? Enemy state. Oh. Yeah, we'll start with this. I know it's gonna fuck up, but whatever. X scale. Direction. Negative direction. Rotation equals aim direction. Where do you get a primary for the stream? There's a guy called Aris something, Alpha Gamer. Such a cool name, wow. I think that's what it's called. No, Alpha Gaming? He has a thing where like royalty free music called something. I'm too tired. But he talks about it a lot in his videos. I'm trying to find it, but stream beats. There we go. I could link it, but oh, here it is on Spotify. I found it. Spotify. It's he's a YouTuber who streams, and it's available on YouTube too. He wants people to be able to stream without being afraid of copyrights. So if you want to get copyrights free just stuff like this, you can use that. Okay, let's see if this works now. I know exactly how wacky this will look, but gotta start somewhere, right? Perfect. Let's not set the state to anything. That's interesting. Oh. Let's just I think it's better if we just remove this entire if block. Okay, so first thing on our agenda, what we need to do is to set the rotation point here to that. And then we wanna go into the draw thing on this. Y minus 40 or something. Let's see what happens now. I know it's still gonna be wacky, but maybe less so. Hey. Hey. Hey, hey, hey. That's very cursed. I don't know about that, but let's be. Bro, this is exactly how I envisioned it. This is fucking perfect. He's even aiming down, see? Like, he knows I'm crouching, he's aiming down. He knows what up. But then here, like he's oriented the right way here. But then he's fucking... Okay, so first thing is to maybe just do that. No, we want it to flip. If I'm not gonna publish it yet, bro. If OBJ player X greater or equal to X. Okay, so now we have two cases there, which is good, I guess. We wanna... I'm gonna have to end it in 15 minutes, even if you don't want me to. So here he's looking. Okay, so he this works perfectly fine. This is not how it's supposed to be. I don't. Did that just fucking work? I feel like there's like one frame where it doesn't work. Like it snaps. Yeah. Now we just need to get him to properly. Yes, the first thing is we need to move him a bit. So let's put it at... First of all, we do it like this. We need to reuse the var y offset equals minus 40 x offset equals y times direction. I don't fucking know, bro. Because now this will allow us to just change the value in one spot instead of two. And there's gonna be more probably because I'm too dumb right now in my head to make the math just work for one case. Let's see how this looks. You know, this would be so good to use GM Live for, but I just don't use it. Fucking flawless, bro. like we should probably either make it one more or one less. And then this probably should be 30 or something. Yeah, that's not good either. I don't know if I want that to happen. But I guess that's a small price to pay. Yeah, I think I'm gonna have to adjust it so... Yeah, I thought about this earlier, and like the higher up the aim, the lower arms needs to go. But I feel like we're on a pretty okay... It's pretty aight for now, you know? It's close enough. Yeah, we need to make it even less. Head is not where it's supposed to be. I feel like it's right now in the X, but we need to adjust it in Y probably, maybe a little bit. Man, that looks pretty fucking good. My eyes. Now we just need to adjust the aiming when it's below you, right? So let's say that these calculations take care of that. So let's say we have, which means we need to if it's above, if it's more than, oh god, if it's more than 90 and less than 270, it's here, right? Which means that if it's this angle, it should be 180 plus the angle, because that would make it like here is where we want to be. Or just, yeah. And then if it's between if it's greater than 270 or less than 90, then we just do 0 minus the angle, or 360 minus the angle. Oh no. Yes, I knew about this, but whatever. You'll see. You're gonna see what I've already been thinking about when we get there. If obj layer dot y is less or equal than y. Or we just do this. We'll do the same thing, but I can do some more calculations just using that, which is better. Yeah, that doesn't matter, but this is more important. So avoid if it's less than 0. Do something else. So here we want it to be 360 minus, probably. No, wait. Oh, whatever. We'll figure that out later. And we just do the conditions right. And then what was it here? It was 180 plus the angle. Yeah. So let's see if it works now. Hold your where 152. Did you? Oh. How about now? I don't see any chats. Time to cook dinner soon. Yes, I've been talking about that. I'm gonna end the stream at 7 o'clock. You should eat some quesadillas. Maybe. Okay. I know what I'm gonna do some other stuff, not quesadillas. Okay, so now it works. Look. Wow. So what I was gonna get at is that thing. Since it doesn't, right now it's operating on, it's doing calculations on the, on this. It doesn't know about that it's the circle it's doing calculations on, right? But what happens on a circle in maths is that this right here is 0. And this right here, one total swoosh de loop is 360. So if I wanna, but the game just, or the engine just sees it like this, right? 0 to 360. And there's no fucking way that going below to like minus 20 is getting closer to 360, right? So what it does is if it's, say the angle is like here, and I'm telling the game like, yo, I want the angles to be down here. The game is like, okay, sure thing. Let me just, and then let's like the 230 degrees. And if you're just like wobbling between the state of 1 degree and 359, the game is gonna go like this. So I need to have like an if state. Like if it's somewhere in this region and the angle is like here, I need to do something. But that's an issue that we still have. So we have this issue here where it does that. But other than that, I feel like the dude is aiming pretty nicely, to be honest. So thank you all for tuning in today to this little live stream. I do appreciate your company, but now it's time to end the stream. I will hopefully have a bit more time to stream now that school is off for 2 weeks or so, 3 weeks, who knows. So I hope to see you guys very soon, and I'll catch you next time. Goodbye.